Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the TD Ameritrade platform. Today, we'll cover everything from account setup to placing your first trade. Let's begin by creating your account. Visit the TD Ameritrade website and click on Open New Account. Follow the prompts for verification. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you can navigate through key sections like your portfolio, watch lists, and market news. TD Ameritrade offers a variety of market research tools. Access these through the Research tab to make informed trading decisions. Now that you're informed, let's place your first trade. Select the stock you are interested in, input the amount, and hit Buy or Sell. Create a watch list to track your favorite stocks. Click on Watch Lists, and then Create New. It's a great way to keep your investments organized. Understanding charts and indicators is crucial. Use the TD Ameritrade platform to access robust charting tools to analyze market trends. Keep track of your investments through the Portfolio Management section. Here you can analyze your performance and make adjustments as needed. Set price alerts to notify you when stocks hit certain thresholds. This feature can help you act quickly in volatile markets. With these tools and tips, you're ready to explore the TD Ameritrade platform. Happy trading!